Hello guys, Edwin here. Today I'm going to be talking about Pharos. Okay, so Pharos raised $8 million and they have a testnet live now. Okay, so what is Pharos? Pharos is an EVM compatible network that improves payments and application with trustless and decentralization. Okay, so they launched their testnets I think last week and they had to do a maintenance. So I couldn't make a video when they launched it, but it's back online now and we can go ahead and interact with the testnet for potential rewards. Okay, so all you have to do is head over to Pharos testnets. Okay, I'll be leaving the links in the description below. Make sure you use my link in the description. Thank you very much. So when you get here, let's check in daily. You have to check in daily. Earn coins for checking in daily. Click on your wallet address. I'm using my Rabi wallet. Rabi wallet is very fast. MetaMask is slow, so you have to try to have multiple wallets. Use OKX, Zerion, Rabi wallets. Okay, MetaMask is kind of slow. So let's go ahead and connect our Twitter and Discord. So right after banning your Twitter and your Discord, let's go ahead and complete the social tags. Okay, you have to complete the social tags right here. You follow Pharos on Twitter, you retweet their posts, you reply to their posts on Twitter, and you join their Discord. Doing all this will earn you points. So after completing the social tags, you need to perform what's called on-chain tags. Okay, we are going, it's a testnet and we have to perform on-chain tasks like swapping, adding liquidity, sending testnet tokens to friends, and inviting friends. Okay, if you have some people you can invite, go ahead and send your links to them. Okay, or you can copy my guide and input your link and send it to your friends to make it easier for you. I'll be posting everything on the Telegram. Make sure you join our Telegram also. So you need to click on home. Right after clicking on home, you need to paste your wallet address. This is the wallet address you connected. So copy this wallet address, close this, and you can see it's already connected. You have to wait for the captcha to yeah, you need to bypass the captcha right here, I think. So let's wait for the captcha to load. So once the captcha has loaded, complete this right here and claim your testnet token. These are called testnet tokens of assets. Use them to interact on testnets like this, okay, to help developers scale their apps, see and notice errors, and like you get it, maintain their building their dApp. So they need us to test. You can provide your feedback if you wish to on their Discord. That also helps them to improve on what they are trying to develop. So right after completing the captcha, let's go ahead and claim our Pharos text token. So we have to claim dates, go to experience. I'm leaving all the links in the description below so you don't have to worry. So let's swap some text tokens right here. So once you are here, input the amount of Pharos text token if you want to swap. The site is currently down and the swap isn't working. But when you input the amount you want to swap, you should get it's converted into USDC right here, and you click on swap right here. So right after doing that, go ahead and claim. Just click the facets right here. Click this facet and come here. You can claim USDC or USDT, and you can also go ahead and perform those kind of swaps right here. You swap your USDC. You can see my test tokens having been sent to my wallets right now. I have to wait. So I'll be doing this later, but just input the amount you want to swap and click on swap right here, confirm in your wallet, and you are done with it. Let's go ahead and add liquidity. So when you come back on the main Pharos testnet dashboard, you can see provide liquidity. Click on deposit right here. So after performing your swaps on the same website, click on pool and create a new pool. The sites are currently down. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. I'll be notifying you guys when it's back online. Okay, you can see the swap isn't working right now, but make sure you complete the social task and do your daily check-in. I'll be notifying you when it goes live. So all you have to do is select any token here. Let's say a Pharos test token, USDC or USDT, if, depending on the token you swap to, and just click on add liquidity right here. Okay, you select the tokens you want to add your liquidity to. You can see the swap didn't work, so I don't have any test tokens on each of these. So all you have to do is select the pair you want to add and you deposit right here. Okay, deposit right here. Right after doing that, let's go back and we can send some test tokens to friends. And do this, inputs any wallet address. So right here, we can send test tokens to any wallet, send test tokens to any wallet you see anywhere. You can, I'll be leaving my wallet in the description. You can send to this wallet and make sure you don't send all your test tokens because they are really small. So you put something like 0.0201 and click send. So you just have to keep on repeating this every single day. You confirm your wallet, you repeat this every single day. The Zenith testnet is not working. So the swap and the liquidity pair adding isn't working right now. Like I said, make sure you join our Telegram. I'll be notifying you when it starts working. So let's sign the transaction in our wallet and we are good to go. Complete the social task. This isn't hard. It takes less than 5 minutes to do this. It's a test net. You are going to be facing issues sometimes. So that is it. You just repeat these steps every single day. Add it to your bookmark. And see, these are my bookmarks. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, all my daily check-ins, what I have to do every single day. I have all of them right here. Okay, you can see I have all these right here. And yes, so just send the test tokens and that is it, successful. So that's all for now. Make sure you check in daily, you swap. The swapping isn't working right now, so I'll be doing that later. The liquidity isn't also working, but the send is working. You can check in daily, you complete social tax to earn coins. Okay, so that's it for now. You can go ahead and also explore the ecosystem, OKX wallets. So it's better you connect your OKX wallet instead. If you're on phone, use OKX mobile Web3 wallets. You can go ahead and explore. We are also um doing this testnet right now. My community members are doing this. I uploaded it on my channel. You can go ahead and check inside my videos. I uploaded this recently. So yes, go ahead and explore the ecosystem. So that is it. This is a layer 1 project, and you know when layer 1 to airdrops, they are always good. So thank you for watching, and this is not a financial advice. Make sure you like, comment if you face any issues, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.